Life began in the ocean. So representing that idea in the heart is crucial.
Almost twice as long as the enormous Tyrannosaurus Rex and 3 times as heavy. This creature is like a giant sea lizard.
There is no vegetation here.
Okay, now what's the next one? Enjoy your tour of Jurassic World.
Oh no.
Your boat. You are clear to the visitor center. Have a nice ride.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Deer. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
A security team is deployed. They will get you to the
Owen Brady, the Indominus rescue. Please remain in the boat and stay calm.
Oh, crazy. I know. Hey, it's not raining anymore. Hey.